Hey guys, today we'll try to understand the split methods that are available for strings. Now, split by the word itself, you will understand that it is used to split strings. Yeah. So we'll start with R split first. Now, what does R split does? Okay. This method is used to split string into list of substrings starting from the right end of the string. Now it is similar to the split method, but instead of splitting from the left, it starts splitting from the right. We'll see the split method as well in our next video. Now this method can be useful when dealing with structured data or when parsing strings where the relevant information is located towards the end. Yeah. So usually the syntax of, we'll see an example. Before that, we'll see the syntax of rsplit. So rsplit is rsplit is mentioned in this way. So it will be string dot rsplit, and then we'll have a separator by which you want to split the string. Yeah. So you need to mention the separator here. Yeah. And you have the max split. Now this max split is optional. Even the separator is optional. So max split is the maximum number of splits to perform. Yeah. By default, it is -1. Okay. So all occurrence of the separator are considered for splitting. So by this is how it means. So if I press a separator, if I do not have a separator, by default, it will take as a space tab on a new line character as a split option. But if it has some character, it is splitted by that character. Yeah. And lastly, the max split, which is the number of split that it has to perform on the given string. Yeah. Uh, Now, in this, if you specify -1, as I said, it will take all the specified occurrence of that particular character in that particular string. So let's understand by getting on to some example. The return value is a list. Yeah. Always remember whenever you split a particular method, split a particular string, it returns a list of substrings. So this is very important because you will get a list which you can which you can use. So the return value is a list of substrings. Yeah, you need to remain that is obtained by splitting the original string. Okay, you need to remember that it will return a list. Let me make it bold so that it is more relevant. Let's start with an example. I'll try to add an example saying suppose I have this text equals to uh, let's see, I'll have all the fruits, apple, comma, banana, comma, cherry, date, etc. Yeah. And I want to split it. So I'll say result. We have the formula. The text. We have the result that is equals to. We have the formula that is text. That is the string that we have. Then we have R split. Yes. So we have R split. Then I'm specifying the character by which I want to split the string, that is comma, since each fruit is separated by a comma. Yeah. And I'll print it. So you'll see As soon as I run it, it will give me an output in the form of an list. Yeah, which is separated. Yeah, this is a list since it is enclosed in square brackets, and each of the fruit in the string, since it is separated by comma, it is automatically put in a different item in that particular list. Yeah. So we have splitted the string using the comma as the delimiter from the right end. Yeah. Now, as I said, we can have a limit to the split as well. So how do you put that? We'll use the same example, but I'll put a max limit this time. So I'll put the max limit as 1. So I need only one split. There should not be multiple splits. There are 4 splits here. You can see every fruit is splitted into separate entity in list. But I do not want this 4 split. I just want one split out of this entire string that I have. Yeah. So I mention here to limit the number of splits. Yes. So let's run this. You see, so there is only one split from the right hand side. Rest others are being put into one entity or one item in the list. So there is only one split, that is date, from the right hand side because it is R split that we are doing. Yeah. So the last comma is used as the split point and the remaining part of the string is kept as a single element in the list. Yeah. So I just mentioned in the below example, only the last comma is used in the split. Yeah, since we are doing R split. Yeah. So if there are no white spaces, so if I do not specify any kind of character, so by default, it will take, let's see that if I do not specify anything, any delimiter, if we do not specify any delimiter, yeah, the string based on white space characters will be split by default. Yeah. So if I do not specify any split character, if you see this, let's see what is the result here. You'll find it does not split it. But if I would have a space in between, let me see if I put a space in between. Here you can see it has split the entire string. Yeah. So by default, it will use the white spaces as a delimiter and it will split the string. If you do not specify any kind of delimiter, that needs to be very carefully thought of. Yeah. But if I try to put a comma in between as I did earlier, and I do not specify any delimiter, yeah. If I do not specify, it will treat it as one string and it will not split the string at all. Yeah, since I have not specified any delimiter, moreover, the string does not have any white space or line character or return space. So hence it has not splitted the string. I hope you understood this video and you will use it for data cleaning. Please like, subscribe, like my channel, see further videos, and also subscribe to my channel to get such insightful videos. Thank you so much.